Hi, this is Mrs. Roush. I'm going to show you how to make an identity web today. I'm going to use the example of Harry Potter because Harry's a character that most of you know or have some information about, so this will make sense if I use Harry as our example. We're going to make an identity web, and you're going to make one for yourself, and this is going to help us to start to think about parts of our identity, and we're going to use this when we make our final project on identity. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to write your name in the middle of the paper. So I wrote Harry, and you're going to put a circle around your name. So it's the first thing you're going to do is grab a piece of scrap paper, write your name in the middle. Sorry, that's my dog. And put a circle around it. The second thing you're going to do is add some sunburst lines. So you're going to make sure that you have 15 of these lines, and I did them at all different kind of lengths because each one of these is going to have a name at the end of it. And so you're going to want, or some words, I should say. And so you're not going to want these all to be lined up together. So I made some shorter and some longer, but you want to have about 15. Then you're going to come through and you're going to start thinking about different parts of your identity and write a word for it at the end of each line. So for Harry Potter, I put scar because he has a scar on his head. I put orphan because he was an orphan. Wizard, he's a student. He has the nickname of the boy who lived. He learns magic. He's brave. He plays kiddish. So there's more that I could have added here, but I just wanted to start to show you the example of where you're going to put the words about your identity. And then lastly, you're going to come through and you're going to add little like a little drawing or a little symbol for each one of these words. So for scar, I put the little lightning bolt. For orphan, I put a little baby. For wizard, I did a wizard hat. For student, I did a book. For magic, I did a magical wand. So I also added some more things in here. So you want to write your name in the middle, a circle around it, have 15 of these lines, and each line at the end of it is going to have a part of your identity written down, and then a little symbol or a little drawing next to it. That is your job to have that finished by the end of class today, because we are going to use this next week when we start to work on our final identity project, which will be a drawing that we will be working on in class. And I'll give you more information on that when we meet next week. But this is due at the end of class today so that I can grade it and get it back to you for working next week. Thanks, and have a great day, guys.